Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing applications for you, and both applications are really amazing, and I'm sure you haven't seen these applications before, and I'm gonna show you how these applications work and what kind of settings are required. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now, the first application in my list is trending topic and search and trends. Yes, this is an amazing application. When you open this application, it will be come up like this. There are so many of bubbles you will be finding on your screen, and it looks really amazing. You can move it from here and there, but these all are the trending topics of your area. Yes, if you see here, there is a country name that is United States. You can change the country name from here and select your country name. I'm gonna select the country name here, that's India, and then it will automatically change all the topics from United States to India. These all are the trending topic right now in my country, which are the trending on social media, like on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, or in news as well. I can simply select any one of them and it will give me the proper detail about it. I can click on these things and a link will automatically open up and I can able to check it. So this application is a fantastic way to know what exactly the things going on around me, and you can able to get all the latest and the trending topics here on this application. From the top, you can also select the date and timing as well, like it's for last 2 days. You can scroll it on the right side and it will increase the trending topic from last 8 days, or scroll it down as well, it will be for last 1 day. So this is an amazing application. You should try this one and it will be very helpful for you. Let's talk about the second application, and the second application is also really amazing, and the application name is Assistive Easy Touch. Yes, you see this one, there's an icon on my screen here. This is the icon of this application. Let me just open this application and it will be come up like this. Simply just click on this start now here. Now, this is the interface which you will be getting of this application. You might be getting some advertisement on this application, but you have to ignore this one. So here, the first thing which you have to do here, you have to click on this setting. And when you click on this setting, you will be getting this page. Here, you can select here, that's a single tap, double tap, and the long press. When you press one time on this icon here, what exactly this will do for you, you can select it from here. You can click on this single tap and you will be getting these options here. I'm going to click on this camera. On the single tap, my camera will automatically open up. On double tap, I have selected screenshot here, and the long press, I'm going to select here flashlight. Now all of them has been selected here. Now I'm going to just go out of this one, and this icon always remain on my screen. Whenever I double click on that one, it will automatically take the screenshot of my page. See this? The screenshot has been taken in. It will automatically get stored here. If I click one time here, my phone camera will automatically open up. I can take the pictures of anyone. So this makes very easy for me to operate all the application whichever I select here, and I can do it from this icon. So this application is also an amazing application. If you use any application again and again, you can just make a shortcut on this icon and start using this application. Both the applications are really amazing. You should try both the application. Link of both the application I will be putting in the description. You can check it from there. Any question related to this, you can simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.